the defense of government. First of all, you know, I've been trying to say to everybody, there was never an arms deal. There was never such a deal. You know, when people use that phrase, arms deal, that means something crooked happened. You entered into a deal. So I've been trying to say, please, can you stop saying this thing about an arms deal? There was no arms deal. There was a defense procurement. Now, as you will recall, soon after the government had approved this preferred bidders, the controversy started. That there was corruption. So in the end, that joint investigation team was established. Auditor General, National Public